From the times of Bishan Singh Bedi and Farooq Engineer to the likes of the 83 champions like Sunil Gavaskar and Kapil Dev, to the golden trio of the late 90s and early 2000s of Tendulkar, Ganguly and Dravid, to present day champions like Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara, Shardul Thakur and many more, county cricket is always a point of discussion. लेकिन ये काउंटी क्रिकेट है क्या? मैं बताती हूँ. You see, काउंटी क्रिकेट इंग्लैंड एंड वेल्स का ओल्डेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट है. इसकी स्थापना हुई थी 1890 में. This is the oldest form of domestic cricket to have ever existed, and the format is a bit similar to India's format. जहाँ इंडिया में for the first class level there is Ranji Trophy, which deals with the 4-day test match format. There's the Vijay Hazare Cup, जो कि 50 overs का game होता है, and then there's of course the IPL which deals with the T20 format. County cricket में all of these formats are combined, जिसका मतलब ये है that there are county championships where the test format is played. There is the one-day cup जहाँ पे 50 overs का खेल खेला जाता है, and then there are vitality blasts which deal with the T20 format. County cricket system में 18 counties are registered, which means that every county that is registered under the county cricket system has a cricket club which is named. For example, Lancashire का cricket club is named as Lancashire County Cricket Club. County cricket was started as a form of entertainment. जो elite classes होते थे इंग्लैंड के, उनके लिए this was a form of entertainment. This was a form of a form of excitement in days of Erie, जब ना TV था ना कुछ था. Sports was the only form of entertainment. England, of course, as the world knows, is the creator of this great game of cricket, which of course explains Q. County was established in England and Wales, and why it is the oldest form of domestic cricket that ever exists in the world's cricket system. लेकिन काउंटी का जिक्र हर टेस्ट प्लेइंग नेशन में ज़रूर होता है. You see, county cricket जो है, for any player, especially an international player, it's quite a matter of repertoire and quite a matter of pride, which explains why from the likes of players as far back as 50s काउंटी खेलते आए हैं और आज भी खेल रहे हैं. BCCI का वैसे तो रूल है that any active playing player, and this is a recent rule in the last millennium, that any active player can't really play, for any other league outside India's own. But the exception of course exists for county. और जहाँ तक हिंदुस्तान की बात आती है, हमने वैसे काफ़ी झंडे भी गाड़े हैं काउंटी क्रिकेट में, not just in the international level but in the domestic system of other countries as well. For example, England and Wales county system. आपको शायद याद होगा कि इस साल के इंडिया टूर ऑफ इंग्लैंड में जब लैंकाशायर का टेस्ट हुआ, तो एक बुज़ुर्ग व्यक्ति को बहुत सम्मान दिया गया वहाँ पे alongside the great Clive Lloyd. कौन थे वो? He was no less one of the greatest legends of Indian cricket to have ever existed. He was Farooq Engineer, who made the most appearances for Lancashire County, 164 appearances, which is the most by any international cricketer. और उनके ऑनर में बनाया गया द लैंकाशायर क्रिकेट क्लब का जो स्टैंड है in that stadium, which was known as the Farooq Engineers stand. फ़ारूक इंजीनियर साहब ने खेला था लैंकाशायर के लिए, तो वही हमारे सनी भाई, हमारे सुनील गावस्कर, उन्होंने प्ले था सॉमरसेट के लिए. और मास्टर ब्लास्टर सचिन, उन्होंने भी खेला है काउंटी, और सिर्फ खेला नहीं बल्कि 1000 रन्स भी दे दिए इन द काउंटी सिस्टम जब वो यॉर्कशायर के लिए खेले थे 1992 में. बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हैं ऐसे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल राहुल द्राविड सन 2000 में उन्होंने केंट के लिए खेला. विराट कोहली, चेतेश्वर पुजारा ने सरी काउंटी के लिए खेला. तिलक वर्मा प्लेस फॉर हैम्पशायर, तो है शार्दुल ठाकुर प्लेस फॉर एसेक्स. County cricket is something which those of us, actually a lot of us who are into cricket day in and day out, are more or less aware of. But in case आपको अगर पता नहीं था that what is the system of the county cricket system, then here's the video for you. I hope आपको अच्छा लगेगा ये video.